How's it going, traders and Elite Algo members? In this video, I'm going to show you guys the updates we made for version 18 and every single feature that we've added. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is how to add the new version of Elite Algo onto your chart. Now, this is very simple. What you need to do if you have version 17 or 16 on your chart right now, you want to right click your chart and you just want to hit remove indicators. Once you do that, what you want to do next is you want to go up here to where it gives you that cloud looking icon, and you just want to press save. Once you save it, it's going to give you a little check mark. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and refresh your page. So once you refresh your page, it's going to go back up and it's going to look like something like this, right? Next, what you want to do is you want to go to indicators, go back to your invite only scripts, and then click on Elite Algo version 18 and Elite Oscillator version 5. Now that is the new version of Elite Algo, and this is what you're going to be using going forward. So we have added 3 features inside the new update for Elite Algo version 18 and the Elite Oscillator version 5. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off with the first feature that we added. And to get to that, what we need to do is we need to go into the settings of Elite Algo. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to go hover up here where it says Elite Algo version 18, and we want to click this settings icon. Once we click that settings, what we're going to do is going to show you exactly what we added. So over here, for example, we have the swing highs and swing lows. Now for this version, we actually updated that specific feature inside the algo to give you even more information. So if we enable this, then we press OK and just let the algo load a bit, you're going to see that it's no longer just giving you swing highs and swing lows. It's also telling you if it's a lower high, higher high, lower low, or lower high. So it's giving you a bunch of information. So for example, this is a higher low, lower high, higher low. So it's giving you more information about exactly what's happening on the chart and not just saying higher low. So this can give you a little more accuracy when you're using the swing highs and swing lows into your strategy. Now let's talk about the second feature that we added into Elite Algo version 18. And this is by far one of my favorite features ever added into Elite Algo. So if we go over here and we just simply check off the swing highs and swing lows and bring it back to normal, then go back into the settings, we're going to go down all the way down here to where it says order block, and we're going to toggle order block on. Once we turn this on and we press OK, it's going to start giving us supply and demand zones that we can use to judge whether we should take the trade or not take the trade. So for example, over here, up here, we had a red supply zone. Basically what that means is that this is the good area where you can start to sell your whatever you're looking to sell. So right now we're looking at the British pound, Swiss franc, and this would have been a good area to start shorting the forex pair right here. And we got a very, very good signal. Just like over here, where we were in, again, a red area, an area of very strong supply. So what happened was the price for this currency tanked, right? Same thing up here. And then if we had a strong demand area, what it would do is it would show you a green zone. So for example, let this load, demand right here. So this is when the price would start going up tremendously if you were to take a buy signal around this area. So that's pretty much how you would trade with the order blocks. It's just simply supply and demand. But if you can kind of catch the price going into one of these zones and then trading that zone, you would have a very, very good chance of winning that trade. Now let's talk about the third and final feature that we've added to the oscillator version 5. If we go down here, we go into the settings area, and then we click the strategy and go to Elite TVR. What this is going to do, it's going to tell us exactly how strong the trend is so we can better take that signal. So for example, over here, we can see that we have a green line and a yellow line. A yellow line basically means that it's currently in a weak trend, so you should be wary of any signals that you take because it might not go up and hit your take profit levels. If you are in a green trend, as you see right here, this means that you are currently in a very, very strong volatile state, which basically means that these signals will have a much likelier chance of hitting your take profit levels, right? So over here, for example, we got this sell signal and we had a green line present. That basically meant that we had very, very strong volume at that time, and that the likelihood of this being a big trade is very high. Now, another thing, if it is currently red line, that basically means that this chart is ranging / consolidating a lot, which basically means that you do not want to enter the trade unless you specifically know what you're doing on that specific pair, right? So If it's red, if you're a beginner trader, I would suggest ignoring all buy and sell signals that happen during that time. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys want to learn more about exactly how to use this strategy and show you guys my actual personal strategy that involves my chart looking like this. So I like to have the TVR up here and basically trade with the TVR and the Elite Oscillator version 5 trend mode. Then I can show you guys my specific strategy on the next video. So if you guys want that, make sure you let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe, because we're going to be pushing out a lot more content in the near future and you guys do not want to miss out. Anyways, thanks for watching and have yourselves a good day.